Hi, this is David Williams from iExpertAdvisor. We just released new versions of our drag and drop builders that let you use artificial intelligence to build your expert advisor. Today, I'll show you how easy it is to use. To get started, from the Welcome screen, click New System to create a new EA system. You can name the system whatever you like, System 3 in this case. This creates a new drawing pad that you could drag and drop elements onto it. In this case, we're going to drag an MQL element onto the pad. MQL, by the way, is the language used to build MetaTrader EAs. In the EA Builder, an MQL element allows you to enter any MQL code. Now, most of our users don't use the MQL element often because the EA Builder generates MQL code for you. But there are always special cases where it's easier just to enter MQL code, or sometimes it's the only way to do it. So that's why we added the MQL element in the toolbox a couple of versions back. Anyway, now we're going to use the MQL element, but we're going to use AI to generate the code. We select the AI tab. Now you can enter any prompt you like. We provide a few prompts to help you get started. Here, I'll select this prompt. It reads, create an MQL4 function that opens a trade if the 30-day moving average is greater than the 60-day moving average. Return a single MQL function without any notes or suggestions. Name the function FN Open Trade on MA. The function returns an integer. Do not include markdown. Output the MQL code only. We've learned from experience it's good to be precise about what you're looking for. Now I'll click the Ask AI button. This will forward the request to AI and populate the response in the MQL code window. You also may notice the name of the function was populated as well. In this case, FN Open Trade on MA. Now I'll click Done and build our system. It built successfully using the MQL code provided from AI. I'm sure you could see how powerful this is. It's like having a programmer that listens to your requests and generates the code. So the AI feature works seamlessly with the rest of the drag and drop features of the builder. All the other powerful features and functions of our drag and drop builder are still there. This is just one more option to help you build your EA. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the EA Builder, check out some of our other videos we have up here, or go to our website at iExpertAdvisor.com and download a free version of our AI EI Builder and try it yourself.